Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to remove a card from Google Pay. So if you no longer want to use a debit or credit card with Google Pay, then just follow along. First, open the Google Pay app and sign in if necessary. Then tap your profile picture and select payment method. Here you'll see all the cards linked to your Google Pay account. Tap the card you want to remove and scroll down and tap Remove Payment Method or Remove Card. Then confirm your choice when prompted, and once the card is removed, it will no longer be available for payments through Google Pay on that account. And if you only want to change your default payment method, then you can add another card before removing the current one. So that was how to remove a card from Google Pay. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.